this right now. Hello everyone, my name is Izzy Watson if you didn't already know. So today's video we are going down to Stewart for the weekend where we're going to be spending the next few days on our boat. So it's going to be me and my parents and Connor, so I'm really excited. It's supposed to be sunny all weekend, which is amazing. So hopefully we get to do a lot of fun things and bring you guys with me. Look, even Mahi's coming with us. Road trip. We made it. She's so cute. We finally made it. That was like a 2-hour drive, but we...
Goodness, Mahi, you're a mess.
Oh, Mahi went under the car because she was hot and now she's covered in black stuff. It's like a 2-hour drive, but we stopped at Target to get groceries and stuff. So we're finally here. It's been like 3 hours now. You ain't going back in the car.
Mahi, come here.
She's covered. It is muy caliente out here. We finally finished unpacking everything onto the boat, and I actually don't know where we're going right now. Where are we going? We don't know. So we made it to Hope Sound, which is like a little private island. I think you can only get here by boat. I'm not for sure, but I think. So we just docked the boat. They're figuring that out right now. And we're gonna walk over to the other side where there's like the actual beach. But there's a little tower over here and everyone's jumping off. So I kind of want to do that. See if I can convince Connor to go with me. And we'll explore a little bit. This is where everybody is, jumping. I guess it's deep over there. Come on. Oh, he's so cute. Mahi's having a blast. Get him, Mahi. Get him. He's coming for you.
Swim.
We are out in the water and we're going to the tower.
You gotta get off.
Oh, okay, he can't touch anymore. Well, crap. Can you hold the camera? We made it. Connor is climbing up. It looks a lot higher from down here. Oh crap, now I have to carry this on the way up. Our boat is way over there. So that was quite a long trek to get here. Okay, now that we're up here, I'm a little bit scared. This is
different.
Connor's a little out of breath. Yeah, this is way higher than the Bahamas. I'm really scared. It looks a lot taller from up here. It looked a lot more fun when there was like 20 people up here. But now it's just us. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, I just have to go. I feel like I'm like about to throw a tumbling fast.
Don't draw
I'm so scared. Oh my god. Quit laughing at us. You're scared too. You go first.
No, because I have to videotape.
Don't make excuses. You're just
You want me to go first?
Yes. Go first.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta go first. You just gotta go, okay? You got it. I believe in you.
Oh, I'm scared.
See? It's scary. You just gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Oh.
Just go, just go. Quit doing that. You're scaring me.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. You got it. Go, Connie! How is it? Is it scary? That doesn't sound very encouraging. I have to actually go now. Because
Okay, there you go.
leaving.
There we go. Here we go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Here, okay,
Let's
ready?
go. Yeah. Just swim that way. I'll catch up. Oh. my God. Easy.
We did it. It wasn't that bad. It was fun. But I'm not going again. I could flip off of it, but I would literally crap my pants if I tried to do that.
Just do a full off.
I would be scared. I could though, if I really wanted to. Hey, getting allowed in here. So I did a little bathing suit change because I need to take pictures in this one. Our boat's like on that side. We're walking back over to the beach side because the water's a lot prettier over here. And then we're gonna stay and watch the sunset and have dinner. Who is it? Mahita. She always stops.
So much fun tonight.
We're having steak and potatoes for dinner here on the boat. Wow. Dinner is served. Oh. What are you doing? No! You're like an annoying fly that doesn't go away. Don't. We are now back at the dock from our little boat day. So much fun. Sadly, the sunset got covered by a cloud, but the sky is still like all kind of pink. I'll show you in a second, but it just does not show up on camera as it does in person. Now we're going to our hotel, but we have to grab all of our stuff from the boat. So we're unloading and doing all that and cleaning up. And then we'll be back out here tomorrow. See, the sky is like all pink, but it looks way better in person than it does on here. And then there's them cleaning the boat.
Izzy is sleeping.
No, I get the bed, you get the pull out. We got some cookies. And we also got ice cream. Good morning. We are all dressed and ready. I'm obsessed with my shorts. Look how cute these shorts are.
Okay, I'm
We don't really know where we're going yet. It's quite undecided, but we're leaving, so I guess we'll see. Back to the boat. This is our captain. We're back. Connor, don't do that. We made it. We're in Fort Pierce and we're gonna have lunch here and just walk around. And after this we're going to the sandbar somewhere over here. Mahi is getting her princess treatment downstairs. Connor took the cherry out of my pina colada and he's trying to tie the thing into a knot. How's it going? Got it? Show him. He did it. We got our shrimp bags.
I'm ready to go home now.
It's like your fish. We have made it to the sandbar. What are you doing? It is very hot. Mahi's itching to get in the water, so we might have to take her in the water. She's literally trying to jump out. Go, Mahi! Go! Jump! Go! No, throw her out. So we're obviously back from the sandbar and we got all ready for dinner. We're all dressed up and we're at a cute little restaurant. So now we're watching the sunset and gonna take some pictures. We took a family walk to Kilburn to get ice cream. What'd you get, Mom?
Head into cream.
What'd you get?
Chocolate.
I got chocolate too. Connor,
Free sticker.
what'd you get?
S'mores.
Lovely. Good morning. It is our final day. We are packing up to leave the hotel. But we're going to Jensen Beach to get breakfast and just explore down there and see where the day takes us. We don't really know exactly what we're doing after that. We might just be going home. Ew.